Do you want to become a good driver? Keys to safe driving. Keys to safe driving. Ukifuatilizia hizi keys to safe driving, you are going to become a good driver. First of all, drive attentively. Drive attentively on the road. When I say drive attentively, what do I mean? Avoid texting, avoid use of phones, avoid sending emails. Uko kwa barabara na umeona email unataka kuijibu, ni urgent, weka gari kando, jibu message yako, jibu WhatsApp yako. Hiyo simu yenye umepigiwa unaona ni muhimu, weka gari kando, receive it na uendelee. Or else, to avoid distraction, like what do I do when I'm driving? Mimi personally, when I'm driving, I put my phone on a silent mode. Nikishashuka gari ndo ninaangalia nani alinipigia, because some phones are distracting. Kuna simu zenye unapigiwa huwezi kosa kushika, so avoid it. Secondly, drive when you are sober. Make sure you drive when you are sober. Acha stress, acha bangi, acha pombe. Be sober on the road. Be alert on the road when you are driving. And also drive at a speed that you can manage your car. Drive at a speed that you can manage your car. And always don't forget to put on your seat belt. Don't forget to put on your seat belt. And prepare yourself when driving, because the roads are not the same. Kuna mahali kuna rough road, kuna mahali kuna wet road, kuna mahali barabara ni iko tu rough. Kuna barabara ni kama hii barabara yetu ya kutoka kama unaelekea Kilifi from Mtwapa, not actually from Mtwapa, I think from Majengo to Kilifi. Hiyo barabara iko that's alafu utaonga hapo kuna barabara, because barabara bado zinatengenezwa. So be prepared to expect anything on the road and any kind of road yenye utapatana na. Then also be very observant on the road, because we have land markings, we have children crossing. Kuna tu junctions tudogo tunatokea tu. So be observant on the road. Be keen on what is happening. Always stay alert. Okay. Thank you so much. Madam Remsafe from Remsafe Training and Driving School. I love you.